Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to disable Face ID on iPhone. So I'm already enable my Face ID. Okay, I'm just disable this. Open settings, scroll down, press on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode. Okay, scroll down and just click on to reset Face ID. Okay, and now successfully reset my Face ID. So that's it.